Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream. First, gather your essential ingredients, including heavy cream, whole milk, and sugar. Next, ensure your ice cream maker's bowl is thoroughly chilled, ideally for a full 24 hours. Finally, prepare your ice cream base by gently heating the milk and sugar until the sugar completely dissolves, then let it cool. Once your base is perfectly chilled, pour it into your ice cream maker and begin churning. This process usually takes between 20 and 30 minutes, transforming the liquid into a delightful soft-serve texture. After churning, transfer the soft ice cream into an airtight container and place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours to firm up. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. On another note, imagine listening to your favorite tunes while making ice cream. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. For extra flavor, add your favorite mix-ins, such as chocolate chips or fresh fruit, during the final 5 minutes of churning. If you prefer a firmer scoop, let your ice cream cure in the freezer for several additional hours. Finally, scoop out your homemade creation and enjoy it with your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.